So today's video is all about makeup without foundation and a little bit of my story. I want to share a lot of things with you guys with our tutorial. So first I'm using in color primer and applying all over my face. So I'm talking about something that is really important for every YouTuber. It's about my YouTube journey. It's not a great at all. It's nothing. But anyways, I'm sharing. So first why I started my YouTube channel. As a makeup artist, I really wanna create a change and wanna do a change and I really wanna help. So next I'm using a Krylon concealer and applying with a flat brush under my eyes, on forehead and over my mouth. As you all know, I'm not consistent at all, and that's the main reason why my channel is not growing. But why I'm not consistent, why I'm doing this to myself, why I'm doing this to my YouTube channel, it has a main point. Because I'm trying, I really try hard for a month, 2 months, and after that I feel demotivated and do nothing about it. And really, I just look at something and think like that I can't make a video like this and feel too much disappointment to myself that I don't have any camera, I don't have any lightings, I don't have anything. So after that, I thought I will change the camera, I will change the lightings, I will do this, I will do that, and so I took the first step. I really took the first step and buy this iPhone. So as you can see, my videos are clear and all, but I think I just made my videos too close. I will change it later. I will surely make a difference on my videos, and I really want to help you guys, and I really want to create some change to myself, to everybody, and I really want to do something with YouTube. But first I'm changing my brows. I just took a makeup fixer and applied it on my mascara wand and stretching it out my brows just like it. I didn't fill my brows because we are doing a normal makeup tutorial. We are just as simple as we can. So in this we are not at all filling our brows. Now I'm taking this Revolution palette. I hope it will solve my blusher, my pale skin problem. Now, just I'm taking this blusher and applying it on my cheeks and making my cheeks blushing because no one is doing it. So I have to do on my own with my blusher and my blusher makeup brush. So after that I'm taking a liner. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I don't feel good today. I just wanna do a makeup tutorial. I really wanna share everything with you guys, that what I'm feeling, what I wanna feel. Look at the man liner, na. I think I just did it. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I did it just like this. And please don't be scared with my face. It's just I'm too close to the camera. Now it's time for a mascara. I'm using CV3 mascara. I like this mascara. As you can see, that it makes really difference to my eyes. Yeah, it really did. So I really tried to find the black kajal, but I didn't found it. So I'm applying the blue kajal, and I really thought that I should skip the kajal, but really today is not for my eyes. It's really I have to apply a kajal. If I'm not, it looks like a minion eyes. Okay, fine. Don't take this video seriously, as I already told you in my thumbnail. Please do not take this video seriously. And now it's time for a bare lipstick, and I think it's just broken like my dreams. So now I'm just applying lipstick just like that. Nothing fancy, nothing at all. Just trying to sort things out. I'm really doing that right now. So now look at me. I look good. I really look good on the outer side. So let me pretend for some time. Hi. Thank you. Thank you so much for listening me, and thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate if you do. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I really hope you do, and I will really don't disappoint you guys now. I will make a better videos now. I will really do. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.